Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to install Apache Spark 4.0 and then create a simple program. Apache Spark 4.0 is recently released on May 23 and this is the latest version of Apache Spark. It comes with many new features and improvements such as ANSI SQL support, and there is a connector for connecting to the Apache Spark server. So let's get started. Apache Spark 4.0 requires JDK 17 or JDK 21. So let's install open JDK 21. Sudo apt install open JDK 21 JDK. Open JDK 21 is installed. So the JDK runtime is 21. Next, we have to download the Apache Spark. So visit the website spark.apache.org/downloads/html and you will find this 4.0.3 download link. At the time of recording this tutorial, the Apache Spark version 4 was 0.0. So I am getting this link. You may find another version depending on the time you are watching this video. So let's click here. Click here and the download is started. Apache Spark 4.0 is unified engine for large scale data analytics. It supports batch and streaming data, SQL analytics, data science at scale, and machine learning. So all these things you can do it. And it supports the programming languages like Python, SQL, Scala, Java, and R. Now this is downloaded. I will cut this and in the home, I'll make a directory Spark, Apache Spark. And paste here. Now it is unzipping. I just double click it and it is extracting. You can also go to the terminal and use the command tar xzvf and the Spark 4.0 bin hadoop 3.tgz to extract the file. Now I will go into the bin directory. I will open the terminal here and I'll go into the bin directory. I'm going to start the PySpark here. So PySpark is started. A Spark session is available as Spark. In this session, I will show you how to create RDD and show the RDD data. So this is the data is equal to Python list. So this is the Python list. Now we can create RDD by, now we will create the RDD, and command is spark dot context the correct syntax is spark context dot parallelize, and within the parallelize method pass the data, and this is the small one, and now we can collect the RDD data. RDD dot collect. Now we can print it using the print and see. So this way we are able to create the RDD in Apache Spark 4.0 and print the data. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.